Look, behind me is a tiny home with no bathroom or other rooms. Alright everyone, welcome to what might be the smallest tiny home in St. Louis. Look at this beauty, no bathrooms, no kitchen, no walls on half of it. But hey, minimalist living is in, right? Now some folks like to say a home would have 4 walls. But in the spirit of simplicity, this one said, you know what? 3 is plenty, maybe even 2.5. This is open concept living, taken all the way back to its origins. Wide open, very wide open. Now one thing you might be wondering is, Chris, where's the bedroom? Well, wherever your imagination is. Same thing for the closet and the bathroom. And as of privacy, hey, no doors mean no slamming doors. Peaceful living. Let's talk features. We've got natural ventilation, also known as the wind. We've got 360-degree views because nothing is blocking them. And best of all, energy efficiency. This place hasn't used a kilowatt since it was built. And check out the craftsmanship. Hand-built traditional design and perfectly settled right here in the Japanese gardens of the Missouri Botanical Garden. Honestly, this spot has more tranquility than some luxury homes I've toured. And those actually had bathrooms. So if you're looking for a starter home, a vacation home, a meditation hut, or the world's fanciest shed, this place has potential. Just bring your imagination and maybe some drywall. Or call me if you want a real house.